Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I will show you how to recharge TikTok coins using your Google account. Let's get started. First, open Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon and make sure you're using the right account which have the balance to purchase. If you want to switch, then switch from here. Now, open TikTok, click on profile icon and tap three line menu at the top right corner and here uh, click on balance here, select. After that, you will see that get more coins option. Click on it. Here you can see different offers and price. Click what you need and then press recharge. This will pop up a payment option. You can click one tap buy or even add payment methods like a debit card, or you can pay at Corner Shop, at Shopee Pay, at Gcash, at Maya, at PayPal. You can use all this to payment and successfully purchase your coin in TikTok. Once everything's set, tap one buy here, one tap buy, and this will add coins to your TikTok account. And that's it. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.